Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to have a look at some browser issues that I encountered after installing Cypress 15. So let's have a look at the issue and how I fixed it. So we have the default installation and I'm just going to start Cypress right now. And I usually like to run my tests in either Firefox or Chrome. Now let's see, can I do that right now? And it would seem we have an issue because I only see Electron and Edge. I do not see my Chrome, even though my YouTube channel is usually open from Chrome. So how can we fix this? So one thing that we can do is try to see what information or what browsers Cypress will find when giving the command npx cypress info. This will list the Cypress information, including all of the browsers that it found in the normal browser paths. Now, if the browsers are not here, that means usually that they were not installed in the default place where Cypress would expect them to be. And it seems this is the case for us. But do not worry, I still have some tricks that we can try. We can try to tell Cypress, okay, I want you to open in this browser, and as long as it can find it, it will work. Now, if it cannot find it, you will get such an error message. And as you can see, if I used Firefox, and Firefox is a supported browser, and if he could have found it, that should have worked immediately. What can we do now? Now, do not panic, because I do have an ace up my sleeve, and that ace is Cypress' ability to actually define custom configurations or custom browsers. I'll post a link in the description. So in the custom definition, you basically tell Cypress where it can find your browser, the browser executable, and you need to give it a major version. You do not need to give it a full major version, the one you can get from the browser information. But for example, in this case, so instead of 140.0.7 blah blah blah, you just need 140. And as long as you do that, and as long as the path for your browser is correct, for your browser executable is correct, you will be able to see your browser. And that, of course, if you write Chrome correctly and not capitalize it as I did here. But as you can see, now it does see Chrome. And if we try it again, we can see it that it will work. Now, as always, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye bye.